So hi there, my name is Agbuya, a grade 9 student here in Agbuya High School. So I'm here to teach you on how to pronounce words or yeah. Yeah. So guys, we are focusing on IPE or the International Phonetic Association chart. What am I going to say? Yeah, chart. So you can say see it here. So there are 4 columns. So in column 1 you can see there is the Webster symbol, second column is IPA symbol, and third column is example, and fourth column is the pronunciation. The first vowel is E. Yes, E. Can you say it? Yes. The examples are he, she, teacher. Can you say it again? Yes, you're right. So the second symbol is E. E. Can you say it? E. Yes. You did a great job. So the examples are it, busy, and is. Can you say it again? Yes. So the third vowel is A. Like A, like an apple. A. Can you say it? Yes, you're right. So the examples are day, ate, and paper. Can you say it again? Yes, you're right. So the fourth vowel or the fourth symbol sounded eh. Eh? Nani? Like that. Can you say it? Eh? Yes. So the examples are and, pen, any. And, pen, any. Can you say it? Yes, you're right. The fifth symbol is pronounced as like oo. Can you say it again? Yes. So the examples are book, foot, good. Can you say it again? Yes. So next category we have, so first we have vowels, right? So next is diphthong. So what is a diphthong? Diphthong is a sound where the 2 vowels combine. The first diphthong is I. I. Yes. You say yes. So the examples are I, my, side. You say it? Wow. So the next example is ow. Ow. Can you say it? Yes, you're right. So the examples are now, bow, and cow. Can you say it? Wow. So the next diphthong is oi. Can you say it? Like in Tagalog or in the Philippines, like this. Oi, come here, like that. So the examples here are boy, toy, and alloy. Can you say? Yes, you're right. But take note that all the vowels are voiced Y when pronounced as E, like minty, city, busy. In the third category, so we're going to recap. The first category is vowels, the second is diphthongs, and the third is consonant. So consonants is divided into 2, which are voiced and voiceless. So to determine if the consonants are voiced, place your finger, this finger, on your throat. If you feel the vibration of your vocal cords as you pronounce the letter, then that letter is voiced. So when it comes to voiceless, you cannot or you can't feel a vibration. Oh, say like that. First is voice. I have 5 examples for this. So first is bark. Bark like the dog just bark like that. Diba? Bark. So how can I say that is a voice? So like what I've said earlier, to determine that, we can feel the vibration on the first consonant like ba, ba. You can feel the vibration. You can say, like, hold your drum. Yes. Then say ba, ba. Let's say bark. Then when you say it, like that. I don't know the. Next is down. Then the third one is goat. The fourth one is van. The fifth one is sip. Can you say it again? You can say it here. 1, 2, 3, go. Bark, down, goat, van, and sip. No! Wow! You did a really great job. So next is the voiceless. So voiceless, it's less obvious. Actually, that's like silent. So my first example here is park. So Kuya Charles, how can you say that? Because when we say park, there's a vibration in our throat. So I can say that park is a voiceless because the consonant P can, when you say it like singularly like that, you can say that is pa. Like that, diba? Can you say it? Diba? So when you say park, you can feel the vibration because there is another letters or another words that add to that. So next is town. The town. So next is coat. The fourth one is fan, and the fifth one is sip. Can you say it again? So wow, you did a really great job. Hands up to you. So next is the blends. So if the two consonants are blended together but the sound of each consonant are distinct, they are called blends. The last one, the fifth one or the last one combination I'm going to mention to you is the digraph and the trigraph. So what is a digraph and trigraph, Kuya Charles? So if 2 or 3 consonants stand together but sounded as one unit, then that is called a digraph or a trigraph. The most common are the H brothers, like SH, CH, SC, THR, PHL, or SCH. So the examples are shop. Can you say it? Shop. Yes. Chimney, or the chimney rather. Chimney. Can you say it again? Yes, you're right. So our beloved Philippines. Can you say it? Philippines. Yes, you're right. And the last one is courting. Courting. Yeah, courting. Yes, you're right. So now I'm going to say bye-bye to you. But first, we're going to recall those five category or combination before I go or I leave. So first is vowels. You're pretty good, right? Yeah. My English is not that good. And the second one is, what is that? The diphthongs. Yes, you're right. So the third one is the consonants. So the consonants are divided or is divided into two groups, which are, yes, you're right, the voice and yes. So the fourth one is yes, it's blends. So the fifth one and the last one in the category of the combination is digraph or digraph. You know, you did a really great job. And so I hope you learn a lot from me because you can tell I like this, like, I'm not that good in English, but I'm so happy to teach all of this. Yes, this is Charles. So this is your Charles Christian C. Agbuya signing out. Salute! Bye-bye.